Blue Antidote presents how to treat droopy eyelids naturally. Our eyelids protect our eyes from foreign objects, dryness, and excess strain. They also help to block out light, keep out dust and debris, and keep your eyes hydrated while you sleep. At times, however, our eyelids can become lazy and start to droop. In more severe cases, this could lead to problems with eyesight, cosmetic concerns, or other health issues. And we don't want that. If you're starting to notice that your eyes are looking more lazy and tired, or your eyelids feel heavy, then try this natural solution. Number 1. Cucumber slices. Cucumbers contain both caffeic and ascorbic acids, which give it the ability to decrease inflammation and naturally tighten skin, thus reducing saggy eyelids. Here's how to do it. Place 2 slices of chilled cucumber over your eyes. Allow the cucumbers to sit for 20 minutes before removing them. When finished, wash your face using cool water. Number 2. Chamomile tea bags. Chamomile is a natural anti-inflammatory, which is why it's great for fixing baggy eyelids and helping to strengthen skin. Applying chamomile tea bags to your eyes can reduce puffy and sagging eyelids. Here's how it's done. Steep 2 tea bags in hot water. Let them cool in your refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes. Once chilled, apply tea bags to your eyes for 30 minutes. Remove tea bags and lay down with your eyes closed for another 25 minutes. The anti-inflammatory properties of the tea reduce swelling, puffiness, and tighten the skin around the eyes. Well, that's it for now. Once again, thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video and found it to be educational. If so, hit that like button, comment, and share the video. And if you would like to see more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.